Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna unbox the mixer which is of Sasuki, that's something new. And yes guys, today we are gonna unbox this mixer grinder, anything juice mixer or grinder, anything. This is the rate of it would come, I don't know, but you can see, right? So let's open it. So guys, we buy this I think in Chroma. Yes. As you can see inside, nothing. Wait. I think you have the reflection, right? You can see this. So here comes the mixer grinder machine, and then this is our something, I don't know, I will open it. And this is one big box. One minute guys. Yes, so this box is empty, and now let's unbox this one. Guys, I'm gonna keep there for unboxing. I need 2 hands. So guys, see this? I think you can see clearly, or I it like. So I think you can't see my face, but don't worry guys. We will unboxing of this mixer right. This is the this is our mixer. This is our mixer, and let's open this big. It's very heavy guys, and many of you are not subscribing guys. Come on, subscribe. And you can see down this emergency button, and you can see these are very nice, good quality. You can see that. And this is the on off button, 1 2 3 3, and then this is pulse, and this is nothing. This is machine. So guys, then let's keep this aside. We'll open this one. Let's open it. So they didn't use the good quality of boxes. I don't have the bite because I will buy it outside somewhere. So here comes the jar. See, here comes the jar itself, and we got another jar. See this. And this is something, it's like one knife. And this one something we got. You can see, right? Yes. And this is one thing, one small and small. This one small cutter. The big one. This is the largest. Yes guys, this is I think this one. Yes guys. Yes, now it's okay. Okay, now it's okay guys. See, cap of the small one, and then it's the cap. This one. Yes. So next we'll open the next box. Okay, we got another big something. Okay. So as you can see this is something like juice maker. Yeah, it's juice maker, guys. You can see this has a very good quality. It's very nice. You can see empty, and there's the cap. So we didn't got any yeah, we got. See guys, this is the manual. Sansui, the juice maker grinder, nice one, good one, and see empty, and there's also empty. So guys, this is something like knife. We should see like this. So guys, this is a very short, not short, it's about 7 to 8 minutes. This is our something's written here. So guys, I will show you once I will switch on. Yes guys, see this. You can see this. This is very powerful. You can see this. It's very powerful, guys. So yes guys, this is done, and see this, these are all plates, and it's done. And this juice maker you can buy outside somewhere else, guys. You can buy it online, and you can see this box. So guys, our video is completed. If you like this, you should subscribe, like, share and comment this video, guys. Come on fast, we should complete 1000 subscribers in this year. Okay then, bye bye.